Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by registering on the Allen DLP test portal. Enter your name, birth date, and contact details so the system can match records. Once done, verify your identity by uploading a clear photo ID and a recent selfie. This prevents later rejection. Make sure to confirm your chosen exam slot and the time zone, and install the recommended browser extension if prompted. These steps establish access and authentication, which are required before you proceed to the test environment. Next, install the proctoring app or enable the browser plugin and grant camera and microphone permissions. The software monitors the session. Once installed, run the system check to confirm webcam clarity, mic function, and internet speed of at least 2 Mbps. This prevents mid-test disconnects. Then, follow the on-screen prompts to perform a room sweep and 360 degrees camera check so the proctor can verify your environment. These steps secure the exam integrity and keep you compliant with rules. To finish, methodically review flagged questions, submit your answers, and wait for the confirmation screen. Do not close the browser until you see the receipt. Once visible, save or screenshot the submission ID and timestamp for your records because proof helps resolve disputes. If an error occurs, like disconnection or upload failure, reconnect immediately, document the error with screenshots, and contact the live proctor or support within the allowed window. This preserves your attempt and enables manual resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.